Good evening. My name is Mr. Greg Bruce. I teach social studies here for the 8th grade at Pathfinder Middle School. Just a couple of things about me. This is year number 14 for me teaching. Started out teaching choir, theater, classical studies. Always had a history degree sitting in the background, and then got the opportunity to fully realize that degree when I moved to Pathfinder the first year that it existed 3 years ago. I'm also certified as a school counselor, and currently I'm working on my admin certification. This is my beautiful family. I'm going to move my self off the screen here. That's my beautiful daughter, Emma, my beautiful and handsome son, Benjamin, my wonderful and talented and beautiful wife, Alicia, down there next to me. And this is our very lazy and old man dog of 14 years, Mr. Franklin. He's a dachshund and he's just spiteful. We'll just say spiteful. Grading is a hot topic in a lot of these classes. Per JCPS, we do follow the 30% progression, 70% mastery. That means whatever grade you see in the grade book, 30% of that is going to be the progression grades, which is mainly practice. It's classwork, it's things that we do throughout the day to make sure that the kids are fully grasping what's going on. For each one of those progression assignments, there's the due date that'll be posted in Google Classroom, and then the students get 3 school days past that due date uh, to turn in the assignment. It's a grace period. After that time, the assignment will no longer be accepted. It'll be a 0 in the grade book. They can't be redone and they can't be turned in after the grace period. Um, Mainly because of issues we've had in the past with kids turning in assignments blank and then trying to redo them throughout the 9 or throughout the quarter, and then we get overwhelmed with just 100 different assignments trying to be regraded and then graded again and just graded over and over again. They'll be listed as 50 points in the grade book, but keep in mind, regardless of what the points say, um, whatever's in the grade book, it still counts for 30% of the grade, so it's all within the contained category. I just put it as 50 as kind of a marker for me and students to show that this is a progression assignment. Masteries are slightly different. They account for 70% of the grade. They are on the due date, but you can retake them at any point in the grading period, provided that the student shows good faith effort. We'll talk about that more in just a second. They'll be listed as 100 points in the grade book, and these are meant to allow the student to demonstrate mastery of a standard. So as we're going through our primary sources and secondary sources, can you tell me which is which? Can you pull out a piece of information from one of those sources? And can you develop a claim? That's going to be one of the very first mastery tests. So they're going to get an opportunity to demonstrate that they know how to accomplish that after what we've gone over in class. Now, you heard me mention good faith effort. Students can retake any mastery test. So there is no excuse that in my class, you should at least get a 70%. Even if you don't do any of the progression assignments, if you come back and you do the mastery assignments and you show good faith effort and try, you will at least get a C, a 70%, because I will do whatever I can to help you. If you'd like to get a hold of me, this is my phone number here at school, 502-890-0649. It is best to text. I can easily look down and respond to a text throughout the day. A phone call, you can expect a call back within 24 hours. Most likely it'll be sooner as I work throughout the day, but text is best. Email is also a good idea. Gregory.bruce@jefferson.kyschools.us. 24 hours to respond, but usually it's much sooner. I try to get back to parents and families as soon as humanly possible, especially if it's urgent or about an assignment. Looking forward to working with your student, looking forward to working with you, and looking forward to all the awesome opportunities we're going to have at Pathfinder this year. Thank you so much and take care. Have a great night.